Hi, I'm the Math Marvel Mentor, and today we're going to divide fractions with whole numbers, and we're going to divide a fraction by a fraction, and we're going to use a bar model and check our answers with keep, change, flip. So let's get into it.
Okay, today we are doing division with fractions, and if you would like to watch a full video, a full complete lesson on dividing fractions and a couple different methods, you can check out the link in the video description. And we actually did numbers 1 and 2 in that video. So today we're going to start with number 3, 2 divided by 1/4. And we are going to start using a method by just using fraction bars. So here we have 2 divided by 1/4, and I like to think of I have 2 whole cakes right here. Okay, these are my fraction bars. I have 2 whole cakes, and I'm dividing them by 1/4, which means I want to think how many of this size fits into 2. So if I was handing out each person one slice, but the cake was divided into 4 slices total, how many people would I be able to hand a slice to? Okay, so I have my cake into fourths, and I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. There's my second cake, 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. How many 1/4s fit into my 2 cakes? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I don't know why it didn't pop out. There we go. On those two, but there's 8 slices in my 2 cakes. Okay, now let's do the same problem. So my answer is 8. Let's do the same problem if we use keep, change, flip. Okay, so we're going to keep the first term. Let's erase that so it looks a little nicer. We're going to keep our first term 2. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to flip 1/4 to its reciprocal, 4/1. And then when we multiply with fractions, we just do top times top, bottom times bottom. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1, 8 divided by 1 equals 8. We have the same answer, 8. So 2 divided by 1/4 equals 8. Let's try this problem right here. We're going to do 4 divided by 2/5. So with our 4 divided by 2/5, we have 4 fraction bars, or I like to think of 4 sheet cakes. I have 4 sheet cakes, and I'm handing out 2 slices, okay, per person, and in every cake there's 5 slices total, and each person gets 2 out of the 5. It's kind of how you're thinking of it. They're asking how many 2/5 fit into 4. Okay, so first I need to make sure that my cakes are sliced up where there's 5 slices in each cake. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and remember with fractions, we are saying these are 5 equal parts. There are 1, 2, my pen, there we go, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices in this one whole cake, and then I have 4 cakes total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 cakes. How many 2/5 fit in 4? So I'm going to shade in 2 out of the 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those fifths would have been left, right? So remember, I was cutting out 2 slices. I was handing out 2 slices to each person. So there would be 10. Now let's check that same problem, okay, using keep, change, flip. So I want to erase everything on here. Okay, let's do the same problem for divided by 2/5 and use keep, change, flip. So you keep the first term 4, you change division to multiplication, and then you flip 2/5 into 5/2. do 4 times 5 is 20. And this is the same as 4 over 1 because 4 divided by 1 is 4, so we're not changing the numerical value. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And we get the same answer, 10. Let's try this problem here. Number 5, 2/3 divided by 1/6. So now we are doing a fraction divided by a fraction. So if again we use our fraction strips or bars, I already have one bar drawn representing 2/3, right? We know this is 1, 2, 3 pieces, and 2 out of the 3 are shaded in. So we see we have 2/3 right here, and I'm asking how many 1/6 fit into 2/3. I'm going to change my color here. So with a fraction, if I had sixths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I would have 6 slices in one whole cake, and I'm asking how many this size of a slice fit into the 2/3. How many fit into those 2 red slices of cake that I have? And I would have 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer would be 4. Okay, now let's check and see if we get the same answer using keep, change, flip. So let's erase this and try again. And we're going to just zoom in right here. Keep, change, flip. So we keep 2/3. This first term stays the same. We change division to multiplication, and then we flip the numerator and the denominator to 6 over 1. And then when we multiply fractions, we know we do numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, or I like to say top times top, bottom times bottom. So 2 times 6 gives us 12, and 3 times 1 is 3, and then our answer is 4, which remember, we had this in sixths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Same answer.
Have you used bar models before to divide fractions? It's such a great way to visually see what's happening and make sense of the math. Let me know your favorite way to divide fractions. Do you prefer bar models, skip, flip, multiply, keep, change, flip? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Math Marvel Mentor, where I help you make sense of the math and not only understand the how, but the why.